The importance of rest days.
Rest days are just as crucial as your workout days. They give your muscles and joints time to recover and rebuild after physical stress. Skipping rest days can lead to fatigue, increased risk of injury, and stalled progress. Embracing proper recovery helps you return to your workouts stronger and more motivated.
How rest days aid recovery.
Rest days allow your body to repair muscle fibers broken down during exercise. This process is essential for muscle growth and strength gains. Adequate rest also lets energy stores replenish and helps reduce inflammation. Taking time off prevents burnout and supports your immune system, keeping you healthier in the long run.
Planning your rest days.
Schedule at least 1 or 2 rest days per week, depending on your workout intensity and goals. Listen to your body. If you feel overly sore or tired, add an extra rest day. Structure your routine so demanding workouts are followed by lighter activity or rest, allowing for optimal recovery and continuous progress.
What to do on a rest day.
Use rest days for gentle activities like walking, stretching, or yoga. These promote blood flow and flexibility without adding excessive strain. Focus on sleep, hydration, and nutritious meals to fuel your body's recovery processes. Taking time to relax and de-stress can enhance both physical and mental recovery.
Avoiding common rest day mistakes.
Don't see rest days as a setback. Avoid filling them with intense activity or ignoring your body's need to recover. Skipping rest can increase your risk of overtraining injuries and stall progress. Embrace rest as a key part of your fitness journey, and your results and motivation will improve over time.